Hey pumpkins, I'm back with another video. Today's video, we have my lovely, beautiful model, Nayetta. Say hi, Nayetta.
Hi, how are you ladies?
So Nayetta, she's here today, and we're going to do some ombre and some rhinestones. Nayetta, is there anything you want to promote or say while we're getting started today?
Sure, I am the owner of blazinhandzhair Studio in Woodbridge, Virginia. I have a suite out of Phoenix Salon Suites. And also my Instagram is blazinhandzhair, so you can check out my pictures.
All right, that's awesome. So today's color we're using, this one is by QRS. Unfortunately, I don't have the actual color's name, but that goes there. Then this is going to be a part of the ombre. It's called Hang 10 Toes. It's by China Glaze. And another China Glaze color, and it's called Purple. And it's really pretty. I use this beautiful manicure masking fluid for the ombre, so the ombre, well, the nail polish won't get around her skin. So we're going to get started. I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. So you get a good little makeup sponge. You apply your nail polish to the makeup sponge. We're about to do the ombre. So you want to upload a lot of polish on that makeup sponge. And you could do as many colors as you want, but of course you need at least 2. So we're doing 2, but you can do, as long as her nails are, you can do as many colors as long as the nail is. So what we're going to do is just dab that polish right onto the nail, just so. We're going to let the first layer dry. It's very light, as you can see. And then we're going to come back after that dries and do the second coat of the ombre. All right, so we're back. And we're going to put the second coat on there. And look how much darker that got just by the second coat. So pretty. So I'm moving the sponge around to side by side to really cover the nail. I want to get that tip side by side and cover the nail. All right, so this is how it looks. So pretty. Let me turn this light off so you can kind of see. It's very pretty. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, pumpkin, so we're back and we're going to put some 3D bows on her nails. So this is how I do it. I get my acrylic, and remember, you want to use polish underneath so that the takeoff will be easier. We're going to put acrylic right on top of her nails. We're going to stick the bow inside that. And we're going to kind of like work the acrylic around in there so that you can assure that it won't come off. So we're going to let that dry. You see, it's so cute. Blinged out. Okay, so we're back, and she wanted some really pretty rhinestones. So I already started adhering the rhinestones on using my IBD gel and my gel brush. So if you caught my last video, you saw how I applied the IBD gel on, and I'm just going to finish putting her rhinestones on. So pretty. And I'm going to use my rhinestone picker upper. Like I said, I don't know the name of it, but it helps a lot when picking up rhinestones. It is an awesome, awesome tool. I suggest anybody picking one up to use. Okay, so I am going to finish that, and I'm going to come back with the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, here's the final results of the ombre bling and bows. They are so beautiful. Do you love them, pumpkin?
Yes.
Let's show them thumbs. Show them your thumbs and let's see them fingers. They are gorgeous. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll be back with more videos to come. Smooches. Mwah. Bye, pumpkins.